ॐ श्री गणेशाय नमः। ॐ श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। ॐ श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। श्रीराम जय राम जय जय राम। 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 जय जय राम जय जय राम। ॐ रामाय रामभद्राय रामचन्द्राय वेधसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीतायाः पतये नमः। ॐ श्री रामचन्द्राय नमः। अतुलितबलधामं हेमशैलाभदेहं दनुजवनकृशानुं ज्ञानिनामग्रगण्यं सकलगुणनिधानं वानराणामधीशं रघुपतिप्रियभक्तं वातजातं नमामि। रघुपतिप्रियभक्तं वातजातं नमामि। ॐ श्री हनुमते नमः। ॐ ध्यायामि चिन्मयानन्दं गुरुदेवं महामतिं प्रेमपूर्णं क्रियाशीलं सदा लोकहिते रतं कृपालुं सुन्दराकारं समर्थं सत्यदर्शिनं वाचा तत्त्वप्रकाशिन्या शोकमोहविनाशिनं। ॐ श्री चिन्मय सद्गुरवे नमः। ॐ नमः श्री तुलसीदास सद्वरिष्ठाय धीमते पूरितं हृदयं येन रामप्रेमामृतेन मे। ॐ श्री तुलसीदासाय नमः। Hari Om, a very very warm welcome. This is a very special week for us. Tomorrow being the greatest day on this planet, the Navami, in which Bhagavan Sri Ramchandra ji took Janana. However, in our Katha, Bhagavan takes birth on the 12th of May, for which you all will be physically present here. I hope I told you once. Again I am telling you, we will be sending you invitations also. Please be present for that. So actually, as per the Katha, Bhagavan takes birth on 12th of May. But however, traditionally tomorrow is Ramanavami. Therefore, this whole week will be a very beautiful week for all of us. Coming back to our Katha, Bhagavan created a beautiful Nagara itself to mesmerize Narada, to make him understand that he is not beyond Bhagavan's Maya. And then the Raja invited Narada with all proper traditions. The Rajakumari was shown to him, and the desire to, wed the Rajakumari arose in Narada, and we all know how in the Swayamvara, Narada with prayers to Bhagavan Narayana is present in that Swayamvara. And the two Ganas of Shiva who are there to report what is happening. It is a manner of saying report, not that Bhagavan will not know, he can see. Of course, he is Antaryami. The two Ganas are there, laughing at the stature, the personality of Narada, which Narayana had blessed, in a manner of saying, giving him a wrong picture, giving him a wrong physical appearance only to her, not to anybody else. Others saw him as Narada only. Only to Vishwamohini, he was seen differently. That is the part we have reached till now. We will see further. Sakhi sangale kuvari tab chali janu raja maral dekhat pirai mahi pasab kar saroj jayamal. With all her accompanied, her friends, her girl friends and maids, she walked with that mala, Jayamala, like a beautiful swan. She walked in. Dekhata phirahi mahipasaba. Everybody were very, taken to heights by the very beauty. And all of them had come with royal dresses, lot of, those days gold and all was just like that. Today gold and silver is very, very, very different. The way, the outlook is different. Those days everybody would wear kgs of gold. So all of them had come with that. Karasaroja Jayamala. She walked in between like a swan with Saroja Jayamala. Continuing. जहि दिसि बैठे नारद फूली सो दिसि तेहि न बिलो की भूली पुनि पुनि मुनि उकसहि अकुलाहि देखि दसाहर गन मुसुकाहि धरि नृपतनु तह गयउ कृपाला कुंवरी हर्षि मेलयु जयमाला दुलहिनी लय गे लच्छी निवासा नृप समाज सब भयउ निरासा मुनि अति बिकल मोहमति नाठी मनि गिर गई छूटी जनु गाठी तब हर गन बोले मुसुकाई निज मुख मुकुर बिलो कहु जाई अस कही दो भागे भय भारी बदन दीख मुनि बारी निहारी बेशु बिलो की क्रोध अति बाढ़ा तिनहि सराप दीन अति गाढ़ा हो निसाचर जाई तुम कपटी पापी दो हसे हूँ हम ही सोले हूँ फल बहुरी हसे हूँ मुनि को सियावर रामचंद्र की जय पवन सुत हनुमान की जय उमापति महादेव की जय बोलो भई सब संतन की जय सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय। जही दिशि बैठे नारद फूली, Narada sat with all his damba, darpa, we may say, with his pride. So disi tehi na bilo ki bhuli. And she never looked on that side itself. Vishwamohini never turned even towards that side. Puni puni muni ukasahi akulai. Again and again, Narada got up and then sat down. Got up and then sat down. He was so very restless. Akulai. Dekhi dasahar gana musukai. Looking at that, the two attendants of Hara, Shiva, Shiva Gana, Musukai, they were laughing to the core. They were having a hearty laugh. Dharindra patanutah gayavu kripala. Bhagavan Narayana, he came there. And naturally, if Narayana is coming, who else can look better than Bhagavan? Naturally, Dharindra patahunatah gayavunupala. He came like a king there. Kuvari harashi me levu jayamala. Kuvari, Vishwamohini, immediately was so delighted to see him, and she wore that Varamala to Bhagavan Shri Narayana. Who is Vishwamohini? Lakshmi, Devi herself. Dulahina lege lachinivasa. When Vishwamohini offered the mala, immediately Narayana carried her and disappeared. Nripa samaj sab bhayavu nirasa. Out of despair, Nripa samaj, all the kings who were all assembled there, bhayavu nirasa, they all returned with total despair, total disappointment. Muniyati bikala mohimati nathi. Muni, Narada, felt so perturbed, so disturbed. Why? Because the level of infatuation in him, the level of delusion in him, the level of moha in him had reached its peak. Therefore, please note, the level of your disappointment is proportionally with the heights of desire. Therefore, Muni Atibikala, he became very perturbed, very disappointed. Why? Moha mati nathi. Manigiri gai chuti janu ganti. And it is said, he felt as though a very important gem fell away from his garb. Those are all considered are very, very, what do you call it as? Infame, like that. Therefore, he lost the very important gem. Tab haragana bole musukai. Haragana bole. Those two people, they told him, with a very sarcastic way, Nija mukha mukura biloka hujai. Go and see your face in a mirror, go. They told him like that. And then they must have made, I don't know, I may not be able to do the drama kind of a thing here. They must have laughed looking at him and then made others also laugh at him. Asa kahi dovu bhage bhaya bhari. Immediate, after saying that, they immediately ran away. Why? Because this person we don't know what he will do. Badanadi khamuni bari nihari. Badanadi ki. When the sage looked at his reflection in the water, there was some water body, all that would have kept there for alankaranartham. So he saw himself in the water, his own reflection. Beshu biloki krodha ati badha. He was furious looking at his own face. Why? We know it was like a monkey face he had. Only for her, huh? Only for her. And when he saw that face in the water, he immediately became very furious. Tinahi sarapadinha atigadha. Immediately he cursed those two haraganas. What did he curse them? Ho hu nisachara jaituma. Both of you will be reborn as demons. Kapati papi dovu. You both are sinful persons. You are all fraudulent persons. Therefore, you will become demons. Hasehu hamahiso lehu phala. You, both of you both mocked at me. You both have made me feel pity. Bahuri hasehu muni ko. Now, you can never again mock on a sage. You will become demons. Try if you can, dare if you can to mock at any other sage. That way he cursed them, and his mind was so restless, furious. Continuing, Puni jaladi kharupa nija pava tadapi hridaya santoshana ava फरकत अधर कोप मन माही सपदि चले कमलापति पाही देहु श्राप की मरिहु जाई जगत मोरी उपहास कराई बीच ही पंथ मिले दनुजारी संगरमा सोई राजकुमारी बोले मधुर बचन सुरसाई मुनि कह चले बिकल की नाई सुनत बचन उपजा अति क्रोधा माया बसन रहा मन बोधा पर संपदा सकहु नहीं देखी तुमरे ईर्षा कपट बसेशी मथत सिंधु रुद्रहि बौरायहु सुरन प्रेरि विषपान करायहु असुर सुराबिष संकरही आपुर मामनि चारु स्वार्थ साधक कुटिल तुम सदा कपट व्यवहारु सियावर रामचंद्र की जय पवन सुत हनुमान की जय उमापति महादेव की जय बोलो भई सब संतन की जय सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय। पुनि जल देखी रूप निज पावा. He was not able to take that disappointment. He was not able to even accept the fact. So again he saw his face in that water body, and he found that his real face had come back. He had returned. He had regained his real form. Tadapi hridaya santoshana ava. Yet, in spite of the fact that he had got back his original form, he found no comfort, no solace. He was furious. Pharakata adhara kopa manamahi. His lips were, what do you call it as? Quivering. Meaning what? He was so furious that his body was shaking. His lips were waiting to do something. Sapadi chale kamalapati pahi. Immediately he went. Where? To Kamalapati. Why? Kopa manamahi. There was so much of krodha in him, kopa in him. Why? He had asked Narayana to give him a very good form so that she will, wear the mala. But what has happened? Narayana himself took her away. So he was very, very kopamanamahi, sapadi chale kamalapati pahi. Dehavu shrapaki marihavu jai. I will go there. He spoke to himself. I will go there. I will curse him or die in front of him. Dehavu shrapaki marihavu jai. Either I will give him curse or I will die there only. Jagata mori upahasa karai. Jagata, all the people there, they have insulted me. They have laughed at me. Upahasa, they ridiculed me. Bichahi pantha mile danurajari. While he wanted to go to Narayana and then give him curse, Narayana himself came. Dhanujari, he came there. Sangarama Soiraja Kumari. He came there with what? Accompanied by Devi Rama. Lakshmi ji only. But in what? In the princess form. Because he only has taken her, isn't it? Naturally, Narayana only can take Lakshmi ji. Bole madhura bachana surasai. The one, the Lord, the immortal Lord, bole bachana, he spoke to him. Manikah chale bikala ki nahi. Narada, as though nothing has happened. Narada, where are you heading to? You seem to be very disturbed. You are so distracted. Where are you heading to? Sunata bachana upajati krodha. Listening to Narayana's words, Narada again became very furious. Maya basanaraha manabodha. Why? Please note. The fact here is, he was veiled by Bhagavan's Maya. Nobody can escape Bhagavan's Maya. If Narada himself cannot escape, what to talk of anybody else? Maya basanaraha. He was completely covered by Maya. Manabodha. He did not have any intelligence to think that that is Bhagavan himself. Parasampada sakahu nahi dekhi. He told Bhagavan, you cannot see others being happy. Like that we also tell others, you cannot, you are very jealous. You are such a crude person. Like that we also talk of other people. Out of our own anger and things like that. Gurudev always used to say, you are punishing yourself for no fault of yours. Isn't it? So like that, Narada also, Parasampada sakai nahi dekhi. You cannot see other people being happy and having good fortune. Why? You are jealous. Tumhare irisha. You are so jealous. You kapata and biseshi. You are a fraud. Who is telling? Narada is telling Bhagavan. Mathata Sindhurudrahi by Baurayavu. During Samudra Mathana, what did you do? Rudrahi, for Bhagavan Shiva, you made him drink Visha. And what did you do? Surana Preri Visha Panakarayavu. You made Rudra drink poison, but what did you do? Asura Sura Visha Sankarahi Apu Ramamani Charu. You made him drink Visha, and what did you do? Ramamani Charu. You took away the gem. And Rama is again Lakshmi. Gem is what? Kaustubhamani, who is nothing but Rama herself, again it is said. And you took away for yourself. You gave Rudra, you drink Visha, and then you took away Rama and Kaustubhamani. Swaratha sadhaka kutila tuma. Swaratha, you are such a self-centered person, selfish person. And your sadhana is only for that. Swartha sadhaka. Kutilatuma. Crooked minded. Perverse minded. Sada kapata vyavaharu. All the time you deceive people. Why? Nobody can do anything to you. Therefore, you deceive everybody else. Naradji, out of his frustration, out of his disappointment, is throwing up words like that. परम स्वतंत्र न सिर पर कोई, भावई मन ही करहु तुम सोई, भले ही मंद मंदे ही भल करहु, विसमय हर्ष नहीं कछु धरहु, डहकी परिचेहु सब काहू, अति असंक मन सदा उछाहू, कर्म शुभाशुभ तुम ही न बाधा, अबलहि तुम ही न काहू साधा, भले भवन अब बायन दीन्हा, पावहुगे फल आपन कीन्हा, बंचेहु मोहि जवनि धरि देहा, सोई तनु धरहु श्राप मम एहा, कपि आकृति तुम कीन्ही हमारी, करिहि की सहाय तुम्हारी, मम अपकार कीन्ह तुम भारी, नारी बिरह तुम होब दुखारी, श्राप शीस धरि हर्षिय, प्रभु बहु बिनती कीन्ही, निज माया कै प्रबलता, करषि कृपा निधि लीन्ही, सियावर रामचंद्र की जय, पवन सुत हनुमान की जय, उमापति महादेव की जय, बोलो भई सब संतन की जय, सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय। You remember, Yajnavalkya ji is speaking to Bharadwaja Muni, and he had told Narada has given shapa to Narayana himself. That is the whole story that is happening. Now that particular prasanga, Narada shapa prasanga. Param swatantra na sira par koi. Parama Swatantra. You are absolutely supreme and you are not subordinate to anybody. Therefore, independent person. There is nobody to control you. Bhavai manahi karai karahu tuma soi. Therefore, whatever you feel like you are doing, you are not even thinking what will be the condition of the other person. Therefore, you are enjoying yourself, doing whatever you feel like. Bhavai manahi karau tumasoi. Bhalehi manda mandehi bhala karahu. What do? You are, what is that beautiful, very interesting word they use, phrase they use. Pulling the carpet under the feet. Is it not? That is what they say. Meaning what? Anybody who is kamzor, manda, you pull their carpet, and you have even that capacity to redeem a wild person. You bring somebody very high also, according to your will and wish, whims and fancy, we may say, in a manner of saying. Bisamaya harashana hridaya hiya kachudharahu. And the fact is, I can't understand one thing, Narayana. You neither rejoice, na hiya harasha kachudharahu, nor you have any grief. You are sthita prajna. That is the point here. Bhagavan does not get elated by things happenings outside, things or beings, and he is not deprived of anything. Therefore, there is nothing called grief. So, there is no elation, there is no deflation. He is samaha sanga vivarjitaha. Therefore, that is the quality of a sthita prajna. What to talk of Bhagavan? Dahaki dahaki parichehu sab kahu. Everybody deceiving everyone. Dahaki dahaki. You have become, parichehu sab kahu. You have become habituated for all such playing. That play. You make others fool and you laugh. There are some people like that. At this occasion. See, Bhagavan, when he does for good. But there are some people who play fool on others, who make others feel low, who belittle others, and who make fun of others and take the credit and boost their pride. Beware. Beware. Because you are not God. Bhagavan, from that standpoint, he can do, but at the same time, he is the person who will protect us also. And he is doing it to bring down our pride. But you and I cannot do that. So those who have got that habit of demeaning other person, belittling other person, beware. However, Narada feels like that. Bhagavan does that. Dahake dahake parichehu sab kahu. You have become habituated by pulling other people's feet. Atiyasankamana sada uchahu. You have no fear at all. Why? You are Bhagavan. Who can do anything to you? Therefore, no fear. And you always target others. When nobody is there to target you, you target others all the time. Karama subha subatu mahina badha. Nothing comes your way. Good or evil. Merit or demerit. Punya or papa. Nothing comes your way. You are beyond all that. Therefore, nothing can touch you. Abulagitu mahina kahu sada. No one so far has been able to correct you. Why? There is nobody higher than Bhagavan. Therefore, who is there to correct Bhagavan? Bhale bhavana bhayan dinha. But then, Narayana, you have played with fire. Narada is telling Narayana, you have played with fire. Banchehu mohi jabani dharide. By doing this, giving me that very ugly face, monkey's face, you have deceived me. You have played a trick on me. Therefore, soitanu dharahu shrapa mama eha. Now I will curse you. What? Kapiya akriti tuma kinhi hamari. You made my face to be a kapi, monkey's face. Kariha kisi sahaya tumari. You will have to seek the help of monkeys only to be successful in your feat. In your one of the most important target, work, you have to seek monkey's help only. Why? You made my face monkey, therefore I give you shapa. Karihai ki sahaya tumhari. Mama apakara kinhi tumabhari. You did not help me. Instead, you deceived me. You have, grievously you have wronged. Mama apakara, by doing wrong to me. Nari birahu tumaho badukhari. Now look at this. May you also suffer. Nari biraha. Meaning what? You will also be separated from your wife. You separated me from that Vishwamohini. Therefore, I curse you. You will also be separated from your wife. And then, dukhari, you will be so frustrated. You will be grieved. You will suffer. Shrapasi sadhari harashiya. Bhagavan, he was happy. Gladly accepted the curse. Why? Everything is his Leela only, na. He had to play this Leela. See, so many things is a sport for Bhagavan, but for a cause later. We know, generally we know, the purpose is that he has to take a form and then all these things should happen. Sita has to be kidnapped by Ravana, only then he can go and kill Ravana. He has taken the birth to kill Ravana, so everything has to come accordingly. All these are his Leela, isn't it? But look at the joke. Shrapa Sadari Harashi here. Bhagavan was very happy. The bija is sown. The seed is already sown. Prabhu Bahu Binati Kinha. He is a great actor also, you see. Prabhu Binati Kinha. He appeals to the sage. Oh, sage, please don't do this. All that. He did. Nijamaya kai prabalata harashi kripanidhi linha. This Nijamaya, Bhagavan's Maya, please note, Bhagavan's Maya, only Bhagavan has to withdraw. All what we are seeing through, what we are experiencing as an individual person is all Bhagavan's Maya. But again, for us to understand, for us to know that He is the Supreme. Our arrogance, our pride has to be given up. Therefore, Nijamaya Kai Prabalata, he showed Narada his irresistible power of Maya and Harashi Kripanidhi Linhi, and immediately he withdrew his Maya Shakti. Until now, Narada was engulfed by Bhagavan's Maya. That is why he fell prey. That is why in delusion, he became passionate about Vishwa Mohini. Now Bhagavan withdrew his Maya. Then what happened? Jab hari Maya duri nivari nahi tahi raman rajakumari तब मुनि अति सभीत हरि चरना गहे पाहि प्रणतारति हरना मृषा हो मम श्राप कृपाला मम इच्छा कह दीन दयाला मैं दुर्बचन कहे बहु तेरे कह मुनि पाप मिटहि किमि मेरे जपहु जाई शंकर सतनामा होई हृदय तुरत बेश्रामा को नहीं शिव समान प्रिय मोरे असी परतीति तजहु जनि भोरे जेहि पर कृपा न करहि पुरारी सोन पाव मुनि भगति हमारी असुर धरि महि बिचरहु जाई अब न तुमहि माया नियराई बहुविधि मुनि प्रबोधि प्रभु तब भय अंतरधान सत्यलोक नारद चले करत राम गुणगान सियावर रामचंद्र की जय पवन सुत हनुमान की जय उमापति महादेव की जय बोलो भई सब संतन की जय सद्गुरुनाथ महाराज की जय. The seed has been sown for Bhagavan Shri Ramchandra ji's avatara through this. It is for that the whole drama had to take place. The whole Leela had to take place. Because there cannot be an effect without a cause. If Rama had to come to this world and take avatara as a Manava, there has to be some cause. Ravana is one cause, no doubt. But then, this is another cause. Now see. Jab Hari Maya Duri Nivari, when Hari withdrew his Maya, Shakti from Narada, Nahita Haramana Raja Kumari, that very moment, Rama Rajakumari, she disappeared. Only Narayana was there, and Narayana in his actual form was there. Tabamuni ati sabhita haricharana. It was at that time when that Maya, that particular garb of Maya was, that veil of Maya, that blanket of Maya was removed. He saw Narayana Pratyaksha. And he didn't know what to do. He fell flat at his feet. He was, he doesn't know what to think. His mind became blank. Gahe pahi pranatarati harana. He said, Hey Bhagavan, Narayana, I am sorry, please protect me. He fell at his feet. Dirgha Danda Pranama. Ashtanga Pranama. He held his feet. Please save me. I did a blunder. Please save me. Please save me. Trahimam, pahimam, ityadi. Mrisha hoi mama shrapa kripala. Hey Kripala, oh gracious Lord, please, Mrisha hohi, mama shapa, may my shapa become ineffectual. Ineffectual meaning what? Let it not have any power. Let it die away. You see, Muni, sage, Rishi, they all have gained great Tapas Shakti. And that Tapas Shakti can never go wrong. Whether they give a boon or they give a shapa, will happen even if it is on Bhagavan. That is the glory of Muni. Naguror adhikam tattvam, naguror adhikam tapaha. Therefore, there is nothing beyond Guru. That is why be, supplement to the Guru always. The teacher's shapa can never redeem you from the samsara. Here, Guru, for us he is Guru, no doubt. A Rishi, a Tapasvi, Deva Rishi, not even ordinary, Deva Rishi, a Tapasvi, his shapa has to, be effective. Therefore, but he says, he prays, may my shapa be, mrishahu, let it not happen. Let it be ineffectual. Mama ichha kaha Dina Dayala. It was my will, says Dina Dayala. Narayana says, my dear Narada, all these are my play. In fact, Narada himself knows Narayana plays a lot of leelas, a sport for Narayana. We all have to also enjoy Bhagavan's leela, you see. You cannot always see only Bhagavan giving shapa or Bhagavan, somebody giving shapa to Bhagavan. Sometimes it is a sport. Bhagavan also will feel bored, isn't it? All the time lying down in, what is that? Kshira Sagara on Sheshashayana Bhagavan. He will feel bored all the time. So he wants to play some sport. Mama ichha kaha Dina Dayala. It is my ichha, my leela, my sport. Main durbachana kahe bahu tere. Narada says, I spoke so ill about you. I spoke so much. I don't know what to do. Please, 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 please forgive me. With so much of humility, he fell at his feet. Kahamuni papa mita hikimi mere. How shall my sins be, washed away, erased? I don't know what to do. Japahu jaha sankara satamam nama. Bhagavan says, Narada, relax. Be quiet. Relax, relax. Console your mind. Bring your mind cool. What? Japahu jaha sankara satanama. You do go and do japa of Shankara Nama. Hoi hiridaya turata vishrama. The moment you take the name of Shankara, your mind will relax. That is the glory of Shankara also. Therefore, take Shankara. He never said, take my name. He said, take Shankara's name. Why? Shankara is my devotee. I am his devotee. Parasparam bhavayantaha. The one who takes the name of Shankara 100 times, Shatanama, Hoihi Hridaya Turata Vishrama, immediately your mind will relax and you will find peace in your mind. Kovuna hi Shiva Samana Priya More, the one who has no love for Shiva, who has no surrender at the feet of Shiva, Asiparati Tatajaunjani Bore, they will never come towards me. Because Shiva is my most dearest. Priya More. Shiva Samana Priya More. When you take the name of the Lord Shiva, it is like me only. I will be very happy. Never give up this belief. Asi paratiti tajahu jani bore. Jehi parakripa na karahi purari. On whom Purari, Shiva, when he does not bless anybody, so na pava muni bhagati hamari, that those people can never reach me. Therefore, to reach me, very important is Shiva's blessings. Shiva's blessings is very important. Jahi par kripa karahi purari, so na pava muni bhagati hamari. Asavura dhari. Keep this in mind. Uradhari, keep this in mind. Mahi bichara hujai. Go and introduce to the whole globe. Go and tell the whole globe. Gurudev used to say, what is that? Kaunteya pratijanihi name bhakta pranashyati. Hey Kaunteya, Kunti ka bete. He used to do a lot of nice, very interesting words. Kunti ka bete. Go with a mic and a speaker, tell the world, Name Bhakta Pranashyati. Similarly, Asa Uradhari Mahi Bichara Hujai, Abana Tumahi. Now please note, immediately he says, Ab Tumahi Namaya Niyarai. No Maya will ever again affect you. You are free from all kinds of Maya. He blessed Narayana. Bahubidi Munihi Prabodhi Prabhu. Like that, Bahubidi. Munihi Prabodhi Prabhu. The Lord Narayana reassured Narada. Don't worry, you will never ever come under the spell of Maya. Why is it? Actually, Bhagavan wanted this to happen because that Shapa should come so that he takes the birth of Rama. That is a Karana. The kindling aspect of it. Now Shapa has come, therefore he has to go. Because of that Shapa, he has to get separated from Sita ji, and because of that he has to go to Lanka, and there he will kill Ravana. Look at the beautiful play, Maya. Bahubidi munihi prabodhi prabhu, tab bhaye antaradhana. Immediately he disappeared. Satyaloka Narada chale. Narada, now he is convinced that he has been blessed by Bhagavan. No more Maya will affect him. Satyaloka Narada chale. He proceeded towards Satyaloka, that is Brahmaji's loka. Karata Rama Gunagana, singing the glory of Rama. With this, tomorrow is Ramanavami, and today Bhagavan has sowed the bija for Rama Avatara. This is the real seed which is going to sprout and become Bhagavan Shri Rama. And as I told you, Bhagavan took Avatara on Navami, that is tomorrow, Rama Navami. But for us, Bhagavan will take Avatara on the 12th of May, and all of you will be present here. Please come with all your near and dear ones. Please come, and on that day you will have the Pratyaksha Pramana of Bhagavan's glory. You will see Rama Avatara, Bhagavan taking birth, and incidentally 12th May happens to be Shankara Jayanti. So we will have 3 in 1 program. Shankara Jayanti, and May 8th happens to be Param Pujya Gurudev Swami Chinmayanandaji's 108th Janma Jayanti. Therefore, on that we will celebrate it on Sunday put together. So 3 in 1. Shankara Jayanti, 108th Chinmaya Jayanti, and along with that Bhagavan Shri Rama Janana Prasanga Pratyaksha. We will see. I, on behalf of Sadhana Mandira, wholeheartedly invite all of you for the great occasion of Bhagavan Shri Ramchandraji's Janana in our Katha. Otherwise, Rama takes birth tomorrow, that is Navami. But in our Katha, he will take birth on 12th of May. I repeat it again and again. You are please welcome, not just online, Pratyaksha also. You will be sent all the posters, everything. It will come in Facebook, it will come in everywhere it will come. And in that there will be a QR code. You scan that, you will get our location. So please come, please bring as many people as possible. Okay, for Rama Janana. Having said that, I will conclude for today and we will continue tomorrow. Om Shanti 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 Hari Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Hari Om.